Hey, what's up guys? This is the Tamiya guy here. So guys, today the first video I'm going to put up on YouTube just regarding the Tamiya product is the differences between the Porsche 959, model code is 58059, and the Celica Gr.b, the Group B, which is 58064. So you can see they're both 1/8 scale kits. Both kits sort of identical in layout, centre mounted Technigold motors, which is the RS540 VZ. Both come with that as standard. Probably the big differences you'll see with the Group B is this one, so you do get the white wheels and the pinspike tyres, whereas on the 959 you get the yellow wheels with the rally block tyres. You notice the differences in the strut towers, so this is where the bodies mount, so the 959 mounting's a lot closer in, a lot closer into the front of the body, and the Group B mounting's a lot further out. Location of the resistor. The resistor on the 959 sits right at the front, and the Group B sits just in front of the, right behind the left-hand wheel here. Internally, the 959 does not get the centre ball differential, which you do get on the Group B, and you also do get sway bar on the front with the Group B. But shocks are the same, gearbox are the same, ratios are all the same. This is two that I'm sort of in the process of restoring at the moment. Missing a pretty crucial part of this one, which is the headlight assembly fits in behind the body to hold the headlight cases in place. This one's all complete, ready to go back together. I've just got to finish the body, which I know if anyone knows about these is pretty complex and pretty hard to do, but I'm going to get around to getting it done. I upgraded this one a little bit, had some trouble finding the original plastics, so I did upgrade to an aluminium swing arms and wishbones and stuff, so that's going to be a little bit stronger. Probably won't be running these, they'll just be display models like most of my models. I enjoy the restoration process and I enjoy the building process a little bit more than I enjoy the using process. I do have a couple of runners that I run, and you've probably seen I have the Maxarito 86 with the TI04 Pro, and I also run a 1/5 scale HPI Baja SS, which I'll do another video about another day. So yeah, they're the main differences between the two. If you ever get a chance to have a run with a 1/8, they're sensational fun with the Technigolds in them. They're just awesome. They're a really, really powerful motor. Bit of old school tech in there and really, really good fun to use. So yeah, thanks for watching.